I'm just going to hit cancel on that and go back. You can see that you can add in your Shakeology, your weight, your measurements, your progress photos. All those can be added in here. Please make sure that you get those things added in. You do not have to share that with the group if you don't want to. You can set those parameters when you add that, when you share that in there, I believe. The other thing that I want to show you is over next to the plus sign is your analytics. So it shows how much activity you've done throughout the whole thing. It shows how many Shakeologies you've drank. It shows your starting weight, your measurement, your before photos. You can also click on the timeline, and then that will show me all the posts that I had. There's the little bell thing over there. That's your notifications. And you can, when you click on those notifications, it will show all the posts that have been added for the entire group. So you can see all those posts, lots of Jay, lots of Amy in there. If you want to change any of your settings, there's the little gear that's in the upper right hand corner. If you click on that gear, then you can decide when you're notified. So if you don't want to see when somebody posts something every single time, you can turn that off. You can make sure that you have it turned on so you see when a coach adds a post. You don't want to miss those because sometimes we add little added bonuses in there. But you can see too that you have the ability to be able to adjust when those notifications show up and how those notifications show up. So you can see that you can decide whether or not you want them to be push notifications or not. Last but not least, the other thing that I want to show you is if I go back to home screen, so I've clicked on the home, I'm going to go back into our current group. So I'm going to go back to this one. And when I click on the three little people, you'll see up at the top is the info and files. If I click on that info and files, you'll see that there isn't anything in there right now. But in that files section, that's where you will see Jay and I are going to post some recipes. So it's not so much of just a full meal plan, but we have 4 breakfast ideas, 4 lunch ideas, and 4 dinner ideas for you to use whenever you want to throughout this challenge group. We will also post some snack ideas as well. Throughout the group, we will most certainly add in a few extra recipes. We tend to post pictures of our dinners or of our lunches throughout the course of our groups as well. So if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to send us a message or feel free to post a comment in your right inside the app, and then others may respond to that as well. Thank you and have a great day.